India's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has banned 156 fixed-dose combination drugs, commonly referred to as cocktail drugs, due to their potential health risks and lack of therapeutic justification. These drugs combine two or more active pharmaceutical ingredients in a fixed ratio and are widely used to treat common ailments such as fever, colds, pain, and allergies. The Health Ministry has notified the ban under Section 26A of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 with immediate effect.
Since these combinations are not rational, majority of the doctors are aware of these and they are not usually used. But yeah, there are certain things like cetirizine combinations which are there for cold, cough, which have been used extensively. But they're used only for few days, and then duration is limited for them.
The ban impacts widely used antibiotics, painkillers, and multivitamins. A fixed-dose combination includes multiple drug components in one tablet, such as a combination of two or more antibiotics or an antibiotic along with a probiotic. According to doctors, their usage may lead to avoidable side effects harming a patient's health.
कोई भी दवाई हम देते हैं, कोई भी दवाई साइड इफ़ेक्ट प्रूफ दवाई नहीं है। हर दवाई का कुछ ना कुछ साइड इफ़ेक्ट होता है। तो ऐसी दवाई जो अगर हम बेवजह दे रहे हैं उस कॉम्बिनेशन में जिसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो हम एक तरह से साइड इफ़ेक्ट को ऐड कर रहे हैं उस दवाई के साथ। तो इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इस तरह के इरेशनल जो एफडीसीज़ हैं जिसमें एक दवाई की ज़रूरत है और बाकी दवाइयों की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऐसा हम अवॉइड करें। और ये बैन करके मैं कहूँगा कि एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप लिया गया है इस तरह के इरेशनल प्रिस्क्रिप्शन को अवॉइड करने के लिए।
The ban comes as a blow to the pharmaceutical industry, particularly small drug manufacturers, as these FDCs are often consumed without a doctor's prescription, leading to high sales. The ban is expected to serve as a wake-up call for the industry to prioritize safety and efficacy.